Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you drumstick and pumpkin recipe without any powder masala. It's a delicious Bengali style recipe. For making this recipe, I took 250 grams pumpkin and 4 big size drumstick. Divide the drumstick into section. I like to cut the drumstick into long pieces, but you can cut according to your choice. Peel off the skin and keep aside. Prepare the pieces of pumpkin. First peel off the skin in alternate way and then cut into big pieces. Green peels of pumpkin are very nutritious and it's edible. Other ingredients are half a teaspoon fenugreek and fennel seed, a pinch hing, a dried red chilli and 2 to 3 green chilli, few coriander leaves, a teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons roasted and dried grated coconut. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add hing, fenugreek seed and fennel seed, saute and then add red and green chili. Saute until fragrant, then add the pumpkin and drumstick pieces, a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon sugar. Stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes over medium to high heat. Now reduce the heat and put a lid, cover for 3 minutes over low flame. After 3 minutes open the lid. Now sprinkle little water and cook for 2 minutes over high heat. Add roasted and dried coconut. This recipe is very nutritious and tasty because of the dried and roasted coconut. At last add some coriander leaves. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the drumstick and pumpkin pieces are soft and well cooked. Our yummy delicious pumpkin drumstick sabji is ready for serving. Serve it with steamed rice or roti. It looks so appetizing. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.